You're so cute.
Hi guys, this channel is Zumi Parrot's channel, right? This was right? Yes. Okay. So everybody thinks and worries about the parrot when they pluck so many feathers. Is that right? Yes. Do they pluck that on purpose? And female ones don't do that. Yeah. And the female ones lay eggs. So please do not worry about your parrot. But if it is plucking many feathers and they're not growing back, so it means your parrot has a depression. And also maybe ants allergies. There are many causes. So today we're going to talk about all of that. So whenever a parrot is in depression, it's lonely. It is lonely. It does not talk. So every time I go out to play, when I was 5, I saw a parrot with no feathers. It was not this breed. It was some other breed. The shopkeeper said that its name is Chotu. So I called it Chotu, but it never used to talk. So the reason was that his master lived in Dubai, but he came to Bangalore because he had a job to do just for 50 days or something. So he forgot. He bought that parrot. Then he was going to Dubai. So he left the parrot to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper gave his master money. So now it's just all alone. It never talks. But I go every day to see it. It's healing actually. If we spend more time with, they don't get depression, but they actually come out of depression. And not all parrots are addicted to what you're seeing here. So Zumi, when he came here, he was pretty sad, and he wasn't doing molting actually. Even Zumi had depression once actually. So from the day we started giving it phone, its favorite food, nuts, seeds, and we spent a lot of time with it, like 2 hours a day, 1 hour a day. Never skip a meal for a parrot because they won't stay healthy. So Zumi got out of depression because he got a gadget of his own. So if they have any allergy, it's actually they don't have allergy. They don't need vaccine. They just need maybe you should go to Amazon. You should search bird spray. I can bring my and show it to you. I have a powder. We used to put that to Zumi. Even Zumi had ants. This guy has every experience that I'm talking about. So I know what happens. I spend the most time with him. I had ant in its cage right there. And as I said, spray and a powder. So here's a spray. It works for almost every parrot. See. And here is a powder. You can pause the video, take a screenshot, and let's see. Pet care. This is from Pet Care. This is Pet Life. We like Pet Care and Pet Life. We just follow that because it's safe for Zumi. I don't say that this is the only thing that's safe. I say any spray could work. And please don't give sweet to parrots. because ants get in the cage, and few people feed parrots chocolate, which is pretty. So you need to put the spray first to the cage, not too much, just a little bit. Then the first day, actually, instead of giving it a bath, don't touch it. Put spray on it. Put spray on the cage. Then the next day, put some powder and keep it, but don't open it because the powder you can't touch it. It is few things that I don't know. The third day you wash it, and whenever you take it down, just put some tape in your finger and then do it. Because see, Zumi is not biting me, but first when it came, it bit this guy right on the cheek and he started bleeding. So do not take that risk. Put some tape in your finger and just touch it. But if you have any different problems, we will be uploading new videos soon. Just comment, and if you can't comment in YouTube, you can comment us on Instagram. No worries. We will reply you. It is a job. So please, for the last time, you can just take a screenshot of this and this. Yes. Say bye. Come on, say bye. Okay. Bye guys. Have a good day.